yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's YarnTube. Thanks for stopping by today. I want to just thank each and every one of you for clicking on my video to watch. I know there are tons and tons of videos out there that you could be watching instead of mine, and I appreciate you watching. I appreciate all my subscribers. And can y'all believe it's December? Wow! Happy December to everyone. We have a lot going on planned for December. So I want to invite you all to stop back by. I will be having some daily videos and just lots of things going on. My hair is getting in Phoebe's face. One thing we will be having is Christmas bingo. If you like to play bingo, it's a yarn bingo. We'll have that going on. We also have the mystery blanket going on. Also, during the month of December, I will be opening an Advent package every day, and Phoebe will be opening her own Advent package every day. So come by and visit to check that out and see what we get. Also, we will be decorating our Christmas tree with Loom knit projects. So that's going to be exciting to see what we come up with for our projects. Oh, Phoebe. So, as Phoebe is showing you, I have a new sweater. So, it has a llama on it. I couldn't pass that up. I picked this up at Walmart. I was getting groceries and saw this, and I was just like, oh, I gotta get it. And so, it was like 25 bucks. And so, to justify that 25 bucks, I'm going to be wearing this a lot. Because I said, if I wear it for 25 days, I've got my money's worth. So, I will be wearing this sweater for at least 25 days this month. I hope you like this sweater. You'll be seeing it a lot. Oh, just being silly. So anyway, I'm just glad that you stopped by. Yeah, lots of things going on. No telling what other kind of videos are going to pop up. There will be a ton of videos for the month of December. Most will be short videos. We will have some tutorials on ornaments for our tree. So stop back by and see what we've got going on here at LlamaMamaKayla's YarnTube. I appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you back very, very soon.